In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate secure document uploads inside the GoHighLevel client portal. We'll build a focused upload form, enable the right client portal permission, and confirm that files land in the contact record for your team to review. Let's start inside your workspace by going to Sites, then Forms. Create a new form. You'll likely see some default fields. Go ahead and remove anything unnecessary, so this form stays clean and dedicated to document collection. Add a drop-down element and name it Document Type. Then add 6 options: police report, medical bill, insurance card, medical records, photos of accident or injury, and other. This simple categorization helps your team sort and prioritize incoming files and gives clients a clear prompt for what they're sending. Next, add a file upload field. This is where clients will attach their documents. Keep the label clear so clients know exactly what to do. If you use format or size guidelines internally, note them in the field description to reduce back and forth. Now add a text area field, name it Notes, and set the label to Any Notes About This Document. That short prompt invites context, things like dates, claim details, or anything your team should keep in mind while reviewing. Save the form. With the form done, return to Sites and open the Client Portal settings. Go to App Permissions and make sure Shared Files is enabled. This permission turns on the secure file sharing area inside the portal, allowing your clients to submit documents to you safely. Head back to the Client Portal dashboard and open the portal. From here, upload a PDF to test the flow. Use a non-sensitive sample file for testing. Wait for the upload to complete so you can confirm the end-to-end experience from the client's point of view. To verify, go to Contacts, open the relevant client's profile, and select the Documents section. You should now see the file you uploaded, neatly associated with the contact and ready for your team to access. This confirmation tells you the pipeline is working as expected. To finish, keep the form simple, have clients choose a document type, and encourage brief notes for faster triage. For security, test with non-sensitive files and follow your organization's access policies. With this setup, your clients can submit documents securely in seconds, and your team can find them instantly inside GoHighLevel.